Hi, this is Revant and you are looking at my project, the CNC Mission. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. What my CNC Mission does is, using this Arduino over here, it takes serial input from this computer and converts it into actions here. So let us see the working of it. In this computer, I have mapped these four keys W, A, S and D to forward, left, back and right motions. Now let me draw a square. W, A, S, D. I'm going to press enter. In 3, 2, 1. Now let me complete that square. In 3, 2, 1. Let me draw another square. In 3, 2, 1. Two squares on top of the same previous square. We can see that the efficiency of CNC machine is very high. That is, it is able to produce an accurate result, except with that problem with my prototype is the friction that the paper provides to the sketch pen. Thus, we can see that the CNC machine responds exactly to the input that is given through the computer to the CNC machine using this Arduino. Now let us have a small look at the code here. In this code, there are 4 different blocks for front, back, left, right, and an extra block halt. Let's come back to that later, and let me first tell you about the main loop. Here, there are 5 if statements. That is, if the keyboard reads S, then this function and this output should be given. Similarly, if it reads D, this function and this output should be given. It goes the same for all other functions and inputs. Now let us come back to one of these following functions. Let's take right for the example. Right contains 2 motors, that is motor 1 and motor 2. Motor 1 is not necessary because it moves up and down. Let us come to motor 2. In motor 2, the 2 terminals are 1 and 2, and for the right control, I have given input to the motor terminal 2 and nothing to motor terminal 1. Let us see what the speed means. Speed is the value that is given for the analog input that I have set up. See here, the analog input that I have set up for the control of the motors. I have selected analog input because I will be able to control the speed with which the motor moves. And this is the same for almost all the functions. It has an analog rate of motor 1 and motor 2. If it moves front or back, motor 1 will be active. When it moves left or right, motor 2 will be active. And this halt is a safety precaution that I have included that if I press X in the keyboard, the halt function gets executed. Halt function stops all the functions of all the motors, that is, it sets everything to 0. Thank you.